If you are interested in trading, check the link in the description and sign up now. Mesh analysis question: find current through 7 ohm resistance using mesh analysis in the circuit shown in figure. Here in this circuit, we have to find the current through this 7 ohm resistance by using mesh analysis method. Solution: first of all, let's copy this circuit from here directly. Now let's say this is mesh number 1 with current I1 and this is mesh number 2 with current I2. Now according to the direction of this current I1, this will be positive here, negative here, positive here, negative here, then positive, negative. For this mesh 2, it will be positive here, negative here. Now let's apply KVL to mesh number 1. So apply KVL, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law, to mesh number 1. Now let's say we are starting from this point, so it will be minus 15, then plus 6I1, plus 6I1, then plus 7. Now here this 7 ohm is common in both mesh 1 and mesh 2, and we are currently solving for mesh number 1. And here we can see this current I1 is going downward in this 7 ohm and this I2 is going upward in this 7 ohm. So it will be I1 minus I2. Now here the loop is completed, so it is equal to 0. Now let's simplify it. So it will be minus 15, then plus 6I1 plus 7I1 minus 7I2 is equal to 0. Now here this will be 6 plus 7, so it will be 13, 13I1 minus 7I2. Now here if we take this minus 15 on right side, so it will be plus 15. So this will be our equation number 1. Now let's apply KVL to mesh number 2. So let's apply KVL to mesh number 2. Now let's say we are starting from this point, so it will be plus 7. Now again this 7 ohm is common in both mesh 2 and mesh 1, and currently we are solving for mesh number 2. So it will be 7 in bracket I2 minus I1, I2 minus I1, then plus 9I2, plus 9I2, then plus 10 is equal to 0. Now here this will be 7I2 minus 7I1, then plus 9I2 plus 10 is equal to 0. Now if we simplify it, so it will be minus 7I1, then this will be 7 plus 9, so it will be plus 16I2 is equal to, if we take this plus 10 on right side, then it will be minus 10. So let's say this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So solving these two equations, solving equation 1 and 2, we get I1 is equal to and I2 is equal to. So let's solve it. Mode, then 5, then 1. So it will be 13 minus 7, 15. From this equation number 2, this will be minus 7, then 16, then minus 10. So here the value of I1 will be 1.06. 1.06 ampere, and the value of I2 will be minus 0.157 ampere. But here for this circuit we have to find the current through this 7 ohm resistance. So here we can see the direction of this current I1 is downward. So it is downward, and the direction of this current I2 is, here we can see it is going upward in this 7 ohm. So it will be upward. Now here we can see both the directions are opposite. So therefore the resultant current, that is I7 ohm, the current through 7 ohm will be, let's say it will be I1 minus I2. Now here we are subtracting because the directions are opposite. So the value of I1 is 1.06 and the value of I2 is minus 0.157. So the resultant will be I7 ohm is equal to 1.06, then minus in bracket minus 0.157. So it is 1.217, and the direction will be of this I1. So this is how we can find the current through resistance by using mesh analysis method. Check the link in the comment section and install the app for free to get the free notes of electrical circuits. Thanks for watching.